Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Fractions chapter, exercise 6b. Exercise 6b. Number 7. A wall of 9/7 square meter can be covered by 3/4 deciliter of paint. How many square meter can you paint with 1 deciliter? First thing, we have to always remember the question, the quantity or the number we have to find out what unit that has. For example, here, how many square meter? The unit is square meter. So we have to find out a quantity or the number that has a unit square meter. So before we start the calculation, we have to write a sentence, and always on the right side we have to put the number that has square meter unit. Here in this sentence, you see, a wall of 9/7 square meter can be covered by 3/4 deciliter of paint. So 9/7, the square meter, this one is on the left, so we have to change the sentence. Put this one on the right and bring 3/4 deciliter on the left. We just have to rearrange it. How we do it? Here is how we do it. Instead of writing a wall of 9/7 square meter can be covered by 3/4 deciliter, we will write 3/4 deciliter of paint covers 9/7 square meter. 9/7 square meter. Now we have to find the unit value. 1 deciliter of paint covers, if you remember, 5 deciliter of paint covers, for example, just I am giving example, 5 banana cost 10 taka. 1 banana cost, how we find out? We divide by division. Here also we have to find the unit price, we have to apply the division operation. So 1 deciliter of paint covers 9/7 divided by 3/4. 3/4. And the unit we shouldn't forget is a square meter. And now we know how to do the division operation of fractions. Equals to 9/7. We have to change the sign to multiplication and change the fraction to reciprocal. For example, 3/4, instead of writing 3/4, we will write 4/3. That is the reciprocal value of this fraction. So 4/3. Before we calculate, we will try to reduce if possible. Can we divide by 3? Yes, 3. Here also we can divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 into 4, 3 into 4/7 equals to 12/7. This is an improper fraction. We have to change it to mixed fraction. How we do it? 7 divides 12. 7 into 1, 7, and 5. 1 and 5/7 equals to 1 and 5/7, and the unit is square meter. Square meter. Each one actually will be square meter. Square meter. So the answer is 1 and 5/7 square meter. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.